I want to show you the future of AI-driven design and development that's already here today. So I'm just going to type what I want, like a homepage hero section that looks like it's on everlane.com. And after a few seconds to generate results, I think I really like this one. Now I can edit this visually all I want, just like in a tool like Figma, like picking maybe I like a different shade of gray, or perhaps I want to rearrange the text, or I could have just let AI do that. For instance, let's just say, add another button. And after a few seconds, there we go. But maybe I want to make the buttons side by side. There you go. And then maybe I want to make one button a primary CTA and the second a secondary. Awesome. It gave different contrast to each button, but I can go further, translate the text to Spanish. And there you have it. But this isn't limited to just static stuff like this. We can ask for an entire interactive mini application, like make a joke generator app. And there we go. Every time I click the button, we get a new generated joke. And what's crazy is this is coming from an API. So in Builder, we can look at the code side by side and even make edits if we want, but we can go further. We could say, make my app look like it is on apple.com. And hey, I would say this certainly looks better. And we can even change the business logic, like generate 2 random jokes at a time instead of 1. And look at that. Now every single time we click the button, we get 2 separate jokes. And now when we actually want whatever we've created on our actual website, because it's in Builder.io, we can grab the code here for a variety of frameworks or options, like maybe you like Tailwind or styled components or different frameworks entirely, like Quick, Vue, or Svelte, etc. With all that business logic, styling, and everything. And when you want to stop copying and pasting code so much, we have API integrations so that you can actually just integrate this to your site. And as soon as you click publish, it's live on your website. Particularly useful when you have other team members who need to make edits or run tests on the production applications you have using your production components with great performance. So what are the trade-offs of this? The big one is generation takes time. So let's say I wanted something simple, like make the text smaller. For the sake of this video, I cut out the wait times because I don't think you wanted to sit here and just stare at a loading bar for 15 seconds at a time for each example. The reality though is that generation does take time. What I'd rather do here is just click on the text I want to resize and use a traditional way to get the exact size I want instantly. The second main limitation are these features are in beta. So if I ask for a wildcard, like make me a rocket, I'm not going to get something very useful. So again, AI will make our workflows so much better, but not replace all of them. Learn more about how you can take advantage of these amazing AI workflows right now today and completely free in my latest blog post on the Builder.io blog.